Guys, I don't know what's going on here. Here comes an ambulance. They have their lights flashing too. Somebody's in the back. I couldn't see. I heard what sounded like a helicopter. I'm like, why is a helicopter flying around and shit? I come out here and there's a bunch of flashing emergency lights. And the police are right there. So something happened. I just came through here about a half hour ago. I took wife to work. Oh my God, there's a tire. Oh my God, guys. This is a wreck from hell. This just happened. I just came through here like a half hour ago. That driver went to the hospital. Holy crap. That's why the helicopter was flying around, huh? How did he end up in that tight little spot? Holy crap. How did he end up in that little spot right there? That's his tire up here. Oh man, dude. Yeah, I said I heard a helicopter and I walked outside. I'm like, what's going on out here? The ambulance took off. Of course they did. This dude's hurt. I don't know what the severity of the injuries are. Holy crap, dude. Good thing I got zoom. That looks like a Toyota Tundra. It could be a Dodge. I'm thinking Toyota because of that right there. Looks like a Toyota. So walk down here real quick for you guys. Damn, man. Yeah, I don't know how good this is going to come out on the video because it's dark, but back here is your fire department and the police are on scene. Deputy is investigating the traffic accident. I think the two people here I'm not filming are witnesses. Yeah, they're going to their cars. The ambulance left code 3. Here we go, he's going to light it up for us. Maybe 3551, that was the engine that just drove by. So this is probably 551 back here. They're right down the street, so I'm sure that's them. Holy crap. Did he hit that mailbox? I think he slammed into that mailbox. That's why his truck's all crushed in. That mailbox must be way down in the ground, man, that post. Holy moly. Wait on the tow truck to come. The tow truck will pull it out of there. We can get a look at it. slammed right into that mailbox, man. So engine 551's gonna take off. Tow truck shouldn't be too far away. God. So he went up over the curb, huh? I didn't even hear the sirens, man. I just heard a helicopter circling around outside, or it flew over, I guess, but yeah, they're gonna go up and probably S551 there, probably gonna go up and turn around. Now we got a little bit more light from the cop's car. Waiting on the 1185. I don't know if I can wait or not. I might have to leave. But there you go, man. Dude. Oh, that's the fire engine coming back. 3551. I thought it was a tow truck. That's going to be 3551. Man, these tires out in the roadway. So he's gonna pull up to it. That thing just came right off and rolled up to here. Holy crap. Gotta drive safe, guys. For anybody wondering, we're on Bryant, just south of Fir. Bryant, just south of Fir in Yucaipa. I'm gonna go ahead and publish this. The front end, let me see, maybe I can get a little bit more for you. But yeah, I'm just gonna go publish it. I'm not gonna wait on the tow. Tow truck could be 35, 40 minutes away. Yeah, you guys can't see that. I can see it kind of in the dark here. It is crushed in, guys. Like think of stepping on a Coke can, like you set it up on top and just come down on top of the Coke can. That's what the front of his truck looks like. Crushed Coke can. It's bad. And we're lighting flares for the cars. News Now Yucaipa. I'm out, guys. I gotta hit the road, hit the sack. I got work tomorrow.